In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply taxes and markups in Stack. This is an essential skill for anyone involved in project estimation and accounting, ensuring that your calculations are accurate and consistent. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Stack platform. Open your browser and navigate to the Stack login page. Here you'll see a few options to access your account. For this demonstration, we'll be logging in through Google. Click on the Login with Google button. If you've previously set up your account, this option provides a quick and secure way to get logged in. Select your Google account from the list presented. This selection will take you directly into your Stack homepage, where all your projects are conveniently listed. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of available projects. Go ahead and click on the project that you want to update with taxes and markups. This action will take you to the project dashboard where you have an overview of all ongoing tasks and estimates. Now that you're inside your project, locate the Estimates tab and give it a click. This is where all your financial estimations are laid out. It's important to double check you're in the right section, as this is where we'll be adding the necessary financial adjustments. In the Estimates area, find your way to the Create Estimates worksheet. This worksheet is the area crucial for converting raw numbers into comprehensive financials with added markups and taxes. Click on Worksheet View to see the itemized list of every component within your project. Browse through the list and select the item you wish to apply a markup to. You'll notice a column dedicated to markups, which is usually positioned adjacent to the item details. To adjust the markup, all you need to do is double-click on the appropriate cell within this column. Once the cell is active, type in the new markup percentage you would like to apply. It's important to enter this accurately, as this percentage directly impacts your overall project budget. After entering the desired percentage, just hit enter, and you'll notice that the system automatically updates the totals and subtotals based on this new value. This automatic computation saves you time and reduces the risk of manual errors. Now you're ready to implement these updates across other items if needed. Remember, consistent regular updates ensure that your project finances are accurate at all times. And there you have it, a straightforward way to apply taxes and markups in Stack, helping you maintain accurate and reliable project forecasts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and happy calculating.